Namaskar dear children. Today again we are doing Vartalap, and today's Vartalap is in between the rabbit and the turtle. See children, it is given in your textbook, page number 15. Only picture is given here. You have to write Vartalap. वार्तालाप लिखे। कछुआ और खरगोश क्या क्या बोल रहे होंगे, कल्पना कर कर लिखे। So we have to write the वार्तालाप between the rabbit and the turtle. Okay? You see children, you have to write this in rough book. Write this in the rough book. Okay? खरगोश खरगोश और कछुआ के बीच, खरगोश और कछुआ के बीच, खरगोश और कछुआ के बीच वार्तालाप, वार्तालाप। One day, the turtle met a rabbit. Let's see what they are talking. Okay? खरगोश, नमस्ते कछुआ भाई. Hello. Hello my dear brother. हेलो, नमस्ते कछुआ भाई, नमस्ते कछुआ भाई. हेलो ब्रदर. कछुआ gave the reply. कछुआ, नमस्ते. खरगोश, तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुम क्या कर रहे हो. What are you doing here? कछुआ, मैं दौड़ रहा हूं, मैं दौड़ रहा हूं, मैं दौड़ रहा हूं. I am running. See, I am running. खरगोश, क्या तुम दौड़ सकते हो? हा 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 हा. क्या तुम दौड़ सकते हो? क्या तुम दौड़ सकते हो? Can you run? Ha ha ha. Asking this, the rabbit started laughing. Can you run? Kachua. Kachua became angry and he said, मजाक मत करो, मजाक मत करो. Don't joke. मजाक मत करो. Don't make fun of me. मजाक मत उड़ाओ, मजाक मत करो. चलो हम दौड़ लगाते हैं. चलो दौड़ लगाते हैं. Let's have a competition. चलो दौड़ हम लगाते हैं. So let's run. चलो दौड़ लगाते हैं. Let's run. खरगोश. खरगोश. ठीक है, ठीक है, ओके. एक मील दूर एक मील दूर स्थित बरगद के पेड़ के पास पहुंचना है. बरगद के पेड़ के पास पहुंचना है. Okay, we have to reach near a banyan tree which is 1 mile away from here. There we have to reach. Okay, that is the finishing point. Okay, कछुआ. Okay, I agreed. Khargosh started telling. Ready? 1, 2, 3. They started running. Kachua. Kachua is telling itself. Kachua is telling itself. मुझे जल्दी से दौड़ना है. मुझे जल्दी से दौड़ना है. मुझे जल्दी से दौड़ना है. Yeah, I have to run fast. खरगोश. And we know that खरगोश can run fast. जब वो कुछ दूर चला गया, when he went, means he is खरगोश is running and he turned back. Whether the turtle is coming near to him or not. So for that he turned his face and he is telling itself. अरे कछुआ कहाँ है? अरे, hey, where is the turtle? अरे कछुआ कहाँ है? अरे कछुआ कहाँ है? दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. अरे कछुआ कहाँ है? Where is the turtle? I can't see. कछुआ कहाँ है? कछुआ तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. I can't see him. So what I am going to do? I am so tired. So I have to take rest. The Kachua is not seeing. He is coming slowly. So, by that time, I can take rest. By telling this, he sat under a tree. अरे कछुआ कहाँ है? मैं तो बहुत थक गया हूँ. मैं तो बहुत थक गया हूँ. थक means tired. मैं तो बहुत थक गया हूँ. थोड़ा सा आराम कर लेता हूँ. थोड़ा सा आराम कर लेता हूँ. थोड़ा सा आराम कर लेता हूँ. आराम कर लेता हूँ. Oh, I have to take some rest. कछुआ. Kachua reached near to Khargosh where he was sleeping. By seeing him, Kachua said, "Hey, the rabbit is sleeping." अरे खरगोश तो सो रहा है. अरे खरगोश सो रहा है. He is sleeping. मुझे जल्दी से यह दौड़ जीतना है. मुझे जल्दी से यह दौड़ जीतना है. यह दौड़ जीतना है. I have to win the race. Why? Because the Khargosh is sleeping, so I have to win the race. Thinking like this, Kachua started walking fastly, quickly. When the Khargosh wake up, what he saw? He saw that the Kachua, the turtle, won the race. Why? Because he fell asleep. जब खरगोश ने आंखें खोली तो क्या देखा? ओह ओह ओह, मैं तो सो गया था. मैं तो सो गया था. I fell asleep. बहुत देर हो गई. It's too late. देर हो गई. It's too late. कछुआ दौड़ जीत गया. कछुआ दौड़ जीत गया. The turtle won the race. The turtle won the race. So children, this is the Vartalap between Khargosh and Kachua. Okay, this is a story, but it is told here to make this story as Vartalap. So we did. You have to write down this in the rough book. Okay. Now all of you take your copy book. We will do Sulek. We will do Sulek. Okay, children? Now we do Sulek. Take your copybook and write Sulek. एक लोमड़ी से 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 उसकी दोस्ती हो गई। 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 See children, this you have to write in one page. Okay, तुम्हें इसे एक पेज में लिखना है। एक लोमड़ी से उसकी दोस्ती हो गई। So children, you all understood how to write Vartalap. Okay. When I asked in the interaction, you all did very well. So I am very happy to see that you know how to write Vartalap. Very nice. Very good. Okay children. So you will get small topics. You have to write Vartalap on that topic. Okay. In this way only you will learn Hindi. So children, this is your copywriting. You have to write this sentence neatly without making any mistake. Okay children. So write down this. Neatly you have to write this. एक लोमड़ी से उसकी दोस्ती हो गई। एक लोमड़ी से उसकी दोस्ती हो गई। Thank you. Namaskar.